expressions. Okay, the first one is eme lang. Actually, can you guys say it? Eme lang. On three, go. 1, 2, 3.
Eme lang.
Yes. And our third word is.
That's how you did it.
Ginaya na lang daw, may nagganon. Okay, okay. Oh. What do you
샤워. 됐어.
Never mind.
됐어.
Tama, tama. Okay, so these two expressions are actually very similar. They're both the same way of saying, it's a joke. Parang just kidding. It applies pa rin pala. Joke lang. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay. So now, okay, let's try and apply it through an interaction with the fans. So I think maybe what we'll do